In today's video, we'll explore the differences between KiwiCo and MEL Science to help you decide which kid's science box to buy. Stay tuned until the end to hear the final verdict on which one stands out. Let's begin by examining their key differences. The primary distinction between KiwiCo.
Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial.
And MEL Science lies in their subject focus. KiwiCo offers a blend of arts, crafts, and STEM subjects within its crates, including options like Panda, Koala, Kiwi, Atlas, Yummy, Doodle, and Maker crates. Conversely, MEL Science focuses strictly on STEM subjects, providing boxes that cover topics such as STEM, math, space, physics, chemistry, and medicine. This gives KiwiCo a broader range of learning opportunities. When it comes to subscriptions, MEL Science provides monthly boxes at $39.90, except for the Med box, which costs $64.90. They also offer an annual plan for $29.90 per month, a semi-annual plan at $34.90, and a quarterly plan at $38.90. The Med box has a 6-month plan priced at $59.90. KiwiCo's monthly subscription crates are priced based on age groups. For babies under 2 years old, the Panda crate costs $21.95, or $44.95 for the Panda Crate Plus. Children aged 2 to 14 can choose from Koala, Kiwi, Atlas, Yummy, Doodle, and Tinker crates at $23.95 each month. For teenagers over 14, the Maker and Eureka crates are available at $32.95 per month. Additionally, KiwiCo allows the purchase of individual pieces, unlike MEL Science, which only offers subscription plans. Therefore, KiwiCo is more affordable and customizable. In terms of digital learning, MEL Science excels by integrating mobile apps, VR sets, and augmented reality programs to create an interactive learning experience. KiwiCo, however, provides printable instructions and video tutorials. This makes MEL Science superior in offering digital learning opportunities. Despite their differences, both companies share some similarities. They offer free shipping within the US and have expanded their markets to Europe, Asia, and parts of Africa. To sum up, which is better, KiwiCo or MEL Science? I appreciate KiwiCo's variety, which made it easier to gauge my daughter's interest in both sciences and arts. When she showed a keen interest in sciences, we tried MEL Science's chemistry box. The starter kit came with all the necessary equipment, including a VR set, which was my favorite feature. While I liked both boxes, I prefer MEL Science for its dedicated focus and interactive learning tools. Feel free to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.